Ever wondered what it truly takes to become part of the NetSuite ecosystem? It's more than just submitting a resume. It's about embarking on a journey that, for the right people, can be incredibly rewarding. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking to leverage your skills in a dynamic environment or someone eager to dive into the world of cloud-based business management, understanding the NetSuite hiring and onboarding process can give you a significant edge. Think about the sheer scale and complexity of NetSuite. It's a comprehensive suite of applications used by businesses across countless industries to manage everything from financials and CRM to supply chain and warehouse operations. To support such a powerful platform, the team behind it needs to be equally exceptional. This means their hiring process isn't just about filling vacancies. It's about carefully selecting individuals who possess the right blend of technical prowess, problem-solving abilities, and a genuine passion for innovation. So, what can you expect if you decide to pursue a career at NetSuite? Let's break down the journey, from that initial application to becoming a fully integrated member of the team. The first step, naturally, is the application itself. NetSuite, being a global company, typically posts its open positions on its own careers website, as well as major job boards like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor. When you browse these listings, you'll notice a diverse range of roles, spanning engineering, product management, sales, marketing, customer support, consulting, and more. Each job description is usually quite detailed, outlining the required skills, experience, and responsibilities. Here's a crucial tip. Don't just skim the job description. Take the time to thoroughly understand what's being asked. Tailor your resume and cover letter to highlight the specific experiences and skills that directly align with the requirements. Generic applications often get lost in the shuffle. Showcase quantifiable achievements whenever possible. Instead of saying, managed customer relationships, try improved customer satisfaction scores by 15% through proactive relationship management. Once you've submitted your application, the waiting game begins. The NetSuite recruitment team meticulously reviews each application, looking for candidates whose qualifications best match the needs of the role. If your profile stands out, you'll likely be contacted for an initial screening. This initial screening is usually a phone or video call with a recruiter. It's an opportunity for them to learn more about your background, your motivations for applying, and your salary expectations. It's also your chance to ask clarifying questions about the role and the company culture. Be prepared to articulate why you're interested in NetSuite and how your skills and experience make you a strong candidate. Be enthusiastic, professional, and concise in your responses. If the initial screening goes well, you'll likely move on to the interview stage. This can involve multiple rounds of interviews depending on the specific role and level. You might encounter interviews with hiring managers, team members, and even senior leadership. These interviews will delve deeper into your technical skills, problem-solving abilities, behavioral traits, and how you might fit into the team dynamic. For technical roles, be prepared for coding challenges, system design discussions, and questions related to specific technologies relevant to the position. For non-technical roles, you might encounter case studies, scenario-based questions, and discussions about your past experiences and how you handled various situations. The STAR method, situation, task, action, result, can be a valuable tool for structuring your responses to behavioral questions. NetSuite places a strong emphasis on cultural fit. They're looking for individuals who are not only skilled but also collaborative, adaptable, and aligned with their company values. Be authentic and let your personality shine through while maintaining professionalism. Research NetSuite's core values and try to demonstrate how your own values align with theirs. Throughout the interview process, remember that it's a two-way street. You're evaluating NetSuite just as much as they're evaluating you. Ask thoughtful questions about the team, the projects you'd be working on, the opportunities for growth, and the company culture. This shows your engagement and genuine interest. Once the interviews are complete, the recruitment team will gather feedback and make a decision. If you're the successful candidate, you'll receive an offer of employment. Take the time to carefully review the offer letter, including details about salary, benefits, and start date. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification on any aspects you're unsure about. Assuming you accept the offer, the onboarding process begins. NetSuite understands that a smooth and effective onboarding experience is crucial for setting new hires up for success. While the specifics might vary depending on your role and location, you can generally expect a structured program designed to integrate you into the company culture, familiarize you with NetSuite's products and processes, and introduce you to your team and key stakeholders. This onboarding period often involves a combination of formal training sessions, online learning modules, and on-the-job training. You'll likely learn about NetSuite's history, its mission, its various product offerings, and the internal tools and systems you'll be using. You'll also have opportunities to connect with colleagues from different teams and build your internal network. Your manager will play a crucial role in your onboarding, providing guidance, support, and regular feedback. They will help you understand your responsibilities, set clear expectations, and identify opportunities for growth and development. Be proactive in seeking out information, asking questions, and taking ownership of your learning during this initial phase. NetSuite often fosters a culture of continuous learning. You might find opportunities for professional development, training programs, and mentorship initiatives to help you expand your skills and advance your career within the company. Embrace these opportunities and take an active role in your professional growth. The hiring and onboarding process at NetSuite is designed to be thorough and engaging. It's about finding the right talent and ensuring they have the resources and support they need to thrive. By understanding the different stages and preparing effectively, you can significantly increase your chances of successfully navigating this journey and becoming a valuable member of the NetSuite team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.